Alrighty guys, Dodge Journey. Now, absolutely no brakes. So if I had to guess, looking at all these wheels and I see all this glow right here on this wheel, if I had to guess, the reason that there is zero amount of brake fluid in the master cylinder is because I got a leak right here. Now, remember guys, brakes are diagonal, right? So technically I should have, yeah, this wheel here is clear and that wheel there clear and this wheel over here is yellow. We had to jump this thing off, and imagine that. The battery was dead. There's a new alternator. So what in the hell did Cousin Pookie do this time? Alright, so I don't know, but I gotta find a way to get it in the shop with no brakes. Oh man, y'all wish me luck. I don't know how this is gonna work. When I say no brakes, damn it, I mean, look at that. That's all the way to the floor. So what I'm about to do is utilize this, guys. I'm about to put it in gear and use I'm gonna use the emergency brakes. Emergency brakes is separate from the hydraulic braking system. Yes, I got all the typical warning lights, ABS, traction control light. None of that matters right now because I physically have no brakes. All right, the base braking system still should be intact even without ABS and all. The ABS is just for analog braking system where you try to prevent from skidding, or the system try to prevent you from skidding because the distance to a location is greater if you're skidding as opposed to modulating or pulsating the braking system. So forget all of that mumbo jumbo. I gotta try to get this thing in the shop, guys. Let me turn this off. Once I make it in, we'll continue. All right, y'all wish your boy luck. Ooh, damn, I'm kind of scared, guys. I mean, that pedal, oh my god, it's touching the floor. All right, y'all stay tuned, man. Let me see what I have to do. Woo, oh my goodness. I'm in, guys. Oh, you talking about scary. I literally had, oh my, don't try this at home, y'all. All right, this is getting easy because I have no base brakes at all. So I'm riding an emergency brake or the parking brake as well as throwing into neutral when I'm moving too fast. I'm in. All right, we can go on from here. Oh my goodness. Like I say, don't try this at home, guys. I'm glad I made it in safely because I did not want to push this damn thing in. All right, let's complete the diagnosis. Alrighty, guys. Let's get this thing up in the air and do some visual, okay? No brakes whatsoever. Uh-oh. Oh, guys, look like brake fluid traces. Oh, look at that rotor. Holy crap. That rotor. Oh, my goodness. Look at that piston. That piston is all the way out, guys. What about this side? Oh, my. Look at this. So this is why there's no brakes or no brake fluid, because these numbskull, look at that rotor, same as the other side. Those pistons are all the way freaking out. Know what I mean? They never did a brake job. Look, it's something scratching into the wheel. Now that's just debris. Guys, we got to get this wheel off. Let's get these wheels off. What are we looking at? Is this real disc? Yeah, it's real disc. Is these piston all the way out? No. They out, but they not all the way out where you can see traces of fluid. All right, I got to get these wheels off, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. I don't think I've ever seen, oh my goodness. How do you not hear this, guys? This is a riding, ticking time bomb. This customer should be ashamed of himself. So this side here, oh my goodness. Look at that. Look, oh my goodness. It's not even a shoe anymore. That's what all this debris on the wheel was. Oh my freaking goodness. Guys, they passed. Oh my goodness. What in the hell? That is as far out as I've ever seen any piston. At this point, the piston is rubbing up against the rotor because there's no pad material. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe they waited this long. You telling me you didn't hear that? Even without one of those little things on the brake pad to scratch up wear indicators. Yeah, you passed. Look at that. This customer was a riding menace, ticking time bomb, okay? They should be arrested. I'm sorry. Not forget your life, because obviously you don't care about your life, but you put other lives in danger by riding around like this. This is terrible. In fact, I should call 911 right now and report their ass. But the car was towed in, so I don't know. But the only way you get like this is through driving. You don't just stay parked and get like this. Oh my goodness. Let me take the rear off and see what the rear look like. Yeah, guys, this is not cool at all. This customer should have a driving license revoked. All right, cops should just come get their driving license. Riding around, got everybody in danger. Anybody that's on the road, even near close to her, could have been in a terrible accident. Now, the rear, the brakes are just simply worn. Okay, they don't need like calipers and all. But yeah, I'm not chancing none of that stuff in the front. I want calipers, and I'm going to even inspect the damn brake lines. You know, tell them what the hell they done. Yeah, the rear we can just get away with a typical rear brake job, typical rear brake job. Yeah, so I don't know, man. I've never seen nothing like this. The whole time, piston come all the way out to the point where all the brake fluid is lost. When that happens, ladies and gentlemen, you get no brakes. All right, this is terrible. All right, let me go talk to the powers that be. And one more time, I got to look at this side because this is the driver's side. How the hell do you not hear this? Oh my freaking, I want to take this off. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Guys, at this point, I don't even care. Just let it hang, damn it. Look, piston, I've never seen a piston come. It's all the way out of its bores. Look, can't you tell? Look at that. Oh my God, there's no more brake pads. There's no more brake hardware kit. Oh my freaking God, this customer should, oh my, look at this. Nothing, absolutely nothing, just scrub into the rotor, but this take the cake. I gotta go, guys. I just can't. Look at that. Oh